radar. Enemy missile has been destroyed. Hull hit. Damage in Section 3. Port side, turn. Target destroyed. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Launch detected. 9 seconds to impact. Enemy contact is on fire, Commander. Enemy missile detected. Captain, the enemy has detected our ship. Target destroyed. Victory is ours. Enemy target locked. No sign of enemy activity. Enemy warships destroyed. Good job. Ready to start the engines. All engines full astern. Right, runner. Battle stations, this is not a drill. Our location has been revealed. Missiles armed and ready. Target locked. Left turn. Launch detected. 9 seconds to impact. Enemy missile intercepted. We're taking damage. Taking course, full speed ahead. Ahead 15 knots. Captain, the enemy has detected our ship. Lock and load. Missiles ready. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Helicopter ready for launch. Helicopter ready for battle. Mission accomplished. Heading back to base. Attention crew, prepare for battle. Eyes on enemy contact. We're taking damage. Turret locked and loaded, awaiting orders. We're taking damage. Missile away, 8 seconds to impact. We're under enemy attack. Hits and damage reported. Cannon systems armed and standing by. We're taking damage. Heading left, prepare for the turn. We're under enemy attack. Hits and damage reported. Missiles armed and ready. Hull hit. Damage in Section 3. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Missiles armed and ready. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Missiles armed and ready. Missile silo reporting. Missile away. Turret locked and loaded. Awaiting orders. Initiating missile strike. Eyes on enemy contact. damage. Ahead 15 knots. Enemy target locked. Missiles prepared for launch. Initiating missile strike. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Hull hit. Captain, the enemy has detected our ship. Armed and ready to fire. All posts prepare for battle. Target in sight. Missile away. Port side turn. Preparing turret for shot. Enemy ship is on fire. Missiles prepared for launch. Right runner. Eyes on enemy contact. Preparing turret for shot. Initiating missile strike. Enemy contact is on fire, Commander. Turret locked and loaded, awaiting orders. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Preparing turret for shot. Enemy missile detected. Hull hit. Damage in section 3. Cannon ready to fire. Hull breached. Enemy missile on radar. Missiles armed and ready. Missile away, 8 seconds to impact. Hull hit. Damage in section 3. Launch detected. 9 seconds to impact. Preparing for torpedo launch. Open the silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Open the silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Direct hit. Enemy warship destroyed. Ship to the right. Missiles prepared for launch. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Enemy ship is on fire. Enemy vessel has been destroyed.